Hi guys, what's going on? Hope you're doing great. Welcome back to another helpful tutorial on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to find your saved videos on Facebook. So if you've saved reels or videos before and can't find them later, don't worry. This video will make it super easy for you. Open the Facebook app. Once you are on the home screen, look for the menu icon. You'll usually find it either in the top right or left corner or at the bottom navigation bar depending on your device version. Tap on the menu icon and a list of options will appear on your screen. Now scroll down slowly until you see an option called Saved. This is where Facebook stores all your saved content like posts, videos, links, and reels. After opening the saved section, you will see different categories. To find only videos, tap on the Videos or Reels tab. Here you will find all the videos you have saved earlier. Just tap on any video and it will start playing instantly. You can also manage your saved items by removing or organizing them anytime you want, which helps keep everything clean and easy to access. Alright, that's it for today. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay connected for more easy tutorials like this.